Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover your Google account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your Google account without email or phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open any browser. Now once you open any browser, then you can just use Chrome, and if you're using iOS you can just search for support.google.com. so once you open your browser, all you want to do is to just search for support.google.com over here. So just search for support.google.com. Now once you search for support.google.com, you can see Google account. Click on Google account, and once you click on Google account, all you want to do is to just scroll here, and once you scroll you can see need more help, and you can see post to the help community. Click on that, and once you click on that, just scroll, and once you scroll down you can see post a question. Click on that. Now once you click on that over here, if you have not logged into any Gmail account, you have to make sure you create a new one, because you'll be receiving an email to reset your password or to recover your old Gmail account. So you have to create a new one for this process. Now you can see over here, you can see short summary of your issue. So just enter forgotten Google account password, Google account password. Now once you have entered a short summary of your issue, you can see explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. So enter this over here. You can also repeat same. You can see over here, I forgot the password of my Google account. It doesn't have recovery email and phone number. Please help me to get my Google account back and reset the password. Now you can see over here, once you have entered this, you are good to go, because Google experts are ready to help you recover your account. So you can see category over here, select account access and recovery, and once you have entered that, so you can see this over here. If you can't remember, you can just repeat same over here what I have written over here. So once you are done, you come to the category and you select account access and recovery, then click on next. Now once you click on next, scroll over here, and you can see click on next again over here. Once you have chosen that, you can see account recovery. Click on that and then click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see this over here, next setup. Click on that, and click on select. Now select the device that you are using. If you're using Android, select that, and if you're using iOS, click on iOS and click on next step. Now you can choose to, you can see display name. You can choose to change your name over here. You can see my name is already here, Freedom 108 Tech. So just complete this captcha So once you are done with this, click on post, and boom, that's all. Now just wait for some minutes, or just wait for some minutes, and then the Google expert, the employees will just contact you, and they will send you email over here for you to reset your account. So you can see you have successfully posted the Google help community, and just wait, your account will be recovered successfully. So just wait and then chat with them. Just tell them your problem, and they will ask for your Gmail account you want to recover, and now they will send you email for you to reset the password and use your old Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video